Okay, so we need to teach everybody how to make their screen information, or I should say their ID, completely anonymous when you are inside GoToMeeting. So I am just pulling up a GoToMeeting window. Basically, it's very simple. In order to hide your name when you are in GoToMeeting, you're going to go ahead and go to the top right-hand corner, and you're going to click on the little two people icon, and your name's going to pop up on the right-hand side there. It has my name, and you're going to go on over here to the right where the little drop-down arrow is, to the right of your name. Click that, and you're actually going to click Edit Your Name and Email. If your email is filled in this area, you want to go ahead and delete it, leave it blank. If your name is here, go ahead and delete that, and I want you to write AASK1. Then you're going to go ahead and click OK. And from there, your identity has changed. You will see your name change on the left-hand side of your screen from your name to AASK1. Also, in this area, this is the list of all the individuals who will be in the meeting. So, for instance, when we do a town hall in the next few days here, that will be in an anonymous question session. You'll want to enter that meeting and change your name immediately to Ask1. The host will not see your name. Your colleagues will not see your name. Nobody will understand who is sending what or saying what, any of that stuff. We will see your face, but that is it. The best part about this is we can submit anonymously questions, and this is how you do it. You're going to go on up here to this chat bubble in the top right-hand corner. You're going to click on it, and inside the chat screen, you're going to go ahead down here at the bottom. It says write something. Go ahead and type in your question. I have a question. Okay. And then from there, you can either choose to send it to everybody, or you can send it to just specific individuals that are in the room, such as like a private message. You won't have to worry about that because your name is completely anonymous. When there's 50 other people in the chat room, or I should say in the meeting, and everybody has the same AASK1, your question will be completely anonymous to the host who will be answering it. So you're protected there. I'm going to go ahead and press send to everybody, and you'll see it pop up on the chat screen. My name is gone, and it says, I have a question. Real simple. Like I said, it's private. Nobody knows who asked the question. It's just asked. So anyway, if you have any questions regarding this setup, like I said, it's very simple. You can text me on Slack. I'll be happy to answer any questions. You must remember, though, when you exit the town hall, you have to change your name back. It will not automatically change your name back. It's very simple to do that. Again, go back into the two-person icon here at the top, hit the drop-down arrow, and edit your name and email back to your full name. That is super important. Otherwise, if you forget, the next time you go into a meeting, you'll still be Ask1. That's it for me. Thanks.